Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all creative folks. In a recent update of Filmora 14, we upgraded the compound clip feature. If you want to know more about the update, keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is a compound clip? A compound clip is a tool that groups multiple videos, audios, and graphic clips into a single entity. Filmora 13 introduced a new feature, Compound Clip, allowing users to merge multiple clips into a single clip. This enhancement streamlined and expedited the editing process. Following this, we received numerous suggestions to improve the feature, which ultimately led to further enhancements in V14. Users can now not only merge multiple clips, but also detach them from a compound clip into individual clips, allowing for more efficient workflow. Why use a compound clip? Simplify projects. Create a separate compound clip for each major section of a project. Reduce clutter. Keep your timeline tidy by consolidating clips into a single compound clip. Apply effects. Apply the same effect or transformation to multiple clips at once. Now, let's see how to use it in Filmora 14 in easy steps. Step 1. Select all the clips by pressing Ctrl+A or using a mouse cursor. Step 2. To create a compound clip, right-click and select the Create Compound Clip option from the menu, or simply press Alt+G on your keyboard. This action will combine all your clips into a single compound clip. Once created, you can easily adjust the position, scale, rotation, and opacity of all the clips within the compound clip. You can also add effects and stickers as needed. Step 3. In Filmora 13, once you created a compound clip, you previously didn't have the option to detach it. However, that has now changed. To detach a compound clip, select it and right-click to reveal the Detach Compound Clip option. You'll see two options available. 1. Detach full range. Selecting this option will separate all the clips in your compound clip into individual clips. 2. Detach current range. This option will detach only the currently selected range of clips. Creators now have more freedom to work with compound clips, also saving time. Update or download the latest version of Filmora from the link in the description to start exploring the new features and upgrades. If you found it helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more about Filmora 14.